And the second that you finish off the 2, you're going to go right roof block, left roof block, and then you're coming right back into heaven 6. Boom, 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 boom.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
The one side, remember, shield block punches up like an uppercut. Tip of the stick moves away and the stick punches up. So with the other stick, you guide the hand across. So we shield block. We guide it down and we shield block, and then we punch up on the other side and shield block. So just shield on the right, shield on the left. Shield on the right, shield on the left. Right, left. And just slide over, and always make sure that our body stays behind the shield. Right, so we don't leave a leg out or anything. Just slide over, pass and slide over. And the hand stays in motion. Slides up and then comes back up. Let's do a few roof blocks. Remember the roof blocks? So now if I go to my right, the right hand comes up. Make sure you got that angle on it. Other hand checks, and we pull out at the 45. So we roof and pull to the 45, and then go to the left side. Okay, then just come forward, just go right roof block, left roof block, right, left, and then just kind of come back forward, and right, and left, and back at 45-degree angles. You don't want to go straight back, because you got to get out from underneath the hip. So make sure we're going back at a 45. Get off the X, right? Get off that center line. Let's do heaven 6. So we're closed right, and let's go through one round of heaven 6. So hit, so follow through, hit, retract, follow through, hit, retract. We're back to the right side. So when we come back to the right side, we're going to shift and do a left shield block, then a right shield block, and then we're right back into heaven 6. So heaven 6, when you finish your heaven 6, go left shield, right shield, heaven 6. Boom, boom. Left shield, right back into heaven 6. Okay, and then left shield, right back into heaven 6. Now, let's add on to that. So now we're doing heaven 6, starting from the right side. Follow through, hit, retract, follow through, hit, retract. Then we're going into the left shield, then we're going to the right shield, and then we're going to come into the angle 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay? And the second that you finish off the 2, you're going to go right roof block, left roof block, and then you're coming right back into heaven 6. Boom, 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 boom.